This is a ShowerBuddy product called the Sb6C. It's a solo shower chair for 0 intrusions. You can also get it over the toilet. So I'm just going to unbox it. ShowerBuddy makes a bunch of different products, from transferring systems to independent person using the shower chair to this is a caretaker using it. So we're going to show you how to unbox it. It'll come in just like this, plastic wrap. Just go ahead and remove it with some scissors. I'm using a Mel opener. I'm going to cut this right here. It's taped up. It's very easy to put together. You're not going to really need a bunch of tools, or if any tools really. Everything should be provided in here. When you first open it, you'll get an owner's guide. It shows you how to put it together. It's really nice. Breakdown of parts. Tells you about everything you need to do to put it together in nice colored forms, step by step. So that's very helpful. First box you're going to have would be footrest support. Just go ahead and open that up. And then these can be adjusted to what you need by pulling that out, and then you can adjust this. There's some spots to adjust. So depending on the person's height, leg length, that's when you adjust this. Be your left. This is going to be a calf pad. We'll show you how that works. And then here's your other one. So next thing you'll see is the back. This is very light. Go ahead and remove the packaging. There's an eco line of this. This is a little bit nicer. It's like 760, something like that. These are flip back arms. It's a little tight at first, but it is nice for transferring them and flipping back. This will be a strap that comes with it. And you can see that everything's pretty much push pin. Next, this is light. Should be able to handle this. Not sure the total weight of it. It'll have the commode opening, so if you want to roll this over the commode, you can. And you'll see there's adjustments for the legs. We're about to put that on. So it's 4 wheels, 4 rolling. This right here will be your bucket if you want to put it beside the bed at night. So just use it just like a bedside commode, but a lot nicer. So if you are going to do that, this is the lid, cover lid. This is the open. It just slides like so in here. Slides out. If you are going to do that at night for someone you're taking care of, they're able to get to that or transfer over, make sure you lock the caster wheels. This is a splash guard that would go on that. You would put that on, then put that on. So this is what all comes with it. And then the last box will be the caster legs for the Sb6C. So we'll just open that up real quick. And you can see I'm talking, but if you weren't going over this, you can put this together pretty quick. 4 caster wheels. Everything's labeled pretty nice. Front leg. So we'll put it at the front. I'm just going to lay this on its side. And this will be towards the hole. So it's very easy. So I'm just going to put it one more notch up, because you do have 4 adjustments for the seat height. This says rear leg, and also has the part numbers on it, so if you want to save that, probably won't have to replace these, but not anytime soon at least. This is pretty good stuff. So this front leg, because it came off, the wrapper came off. So usually I'll have a box down so I don't scratch this up. I'm just being lazy. So I'm putting it two notches up. Just match it all or be uneven. The last one. So you got 4 locking casters. You just step on them and pull up to release. Then you're going to drop the back on it. And then get it down to hear the click, click. And then the last thing you do is you drop the legs. And all these do, when you do it, down, pull it up, you pull it right off. Same on the other side. And then this is your calf strap that would come right here and over here. And you can see I have one down lower than the other. These are adjustable by just pulling this pin out. And then getting it right in. And then you also have your flip back. And you know what's also cool about this, if you're traveling, you can travel with this. You saw how easy it was to put together. It's just as easy to take apart.